how much should you actually spend on car ramps? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Roblox low profile ramps. We have the Roblox car ramps, priced at around $39.99. They caught my attention because they're designed specifically for low chassis vehicles. If you want to work comfortably under your sports car, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These ramps have a lift height of 2.6 inches and a slope of 17 degrees, making it easier for you to use a jack or perform maintenance without worrying about the car slipping. With a weight capacity of 20,000 pounds, they're surprisingly sturdy and lightweight, weighing just 5.3 pounds per pair. Plus, the honeycomb design enhances traction, which is crucial when you're driving up the ramp. Now, some people complained about the height being insufficient for taller vehicles. Here's the thing though, if you have a low chassis car, this ramp is perfect. But if you drive an SUV or truck, you may want to consider other options. This is perfect for you if you own a low-profile vehicle and want to do some DIY maintenance. Skip this one if you need something for a taller vehicle. For the price, you're getting a solid option. Now, if that height limitation bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Ironton heavy-duty ramps. Let's talk about the Ironton car ramps. While I don't have the exact price, they're known for their durability, supporting up to 12,000 pounds in total. If you need versatility for different vehicle sizes, this one's worth considering. These ramps are made from high-impact poly, which means they won't rust like steel ramps. They're designed to handle everything from compact cars to full-size trucks, making them a go-to for many DIYers. The non-skid surface is a great feature too, keeping your tires securely in place while you drive up. And with built-in rubber feet, they grip the ground nicely, preventing any slipping. However, some users mention that because they're on the heavier side at 20.6 pounds each, they can be a bit cumbersome to move around. But honestly, if you plan to use them often, that added weight contributes to their stability. This is perfect for you if you have multiple vehicle types at home and need reliable ramps. Skip this if you want something extremely portable. They offer great value for the durability and load capacity. All right, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for specialized needs. Product number 3, Vevor Rubber Curb Ramp. We have the Vevor Rubber Curb Ramp, priced at $79.90. This one caught my eye with its impressive 33,069 pounds capacity. If you're looking for something sturdy for driveways or curb access, check this out. The ramp has a rise height of 6 inches, which is great for helping vehicles smoothly transition from one level to another. Its heavy-duty construction means it's perfect for cars, wheelchairs, and even bikes. The stable grid structure provides excellent support and durability, which is what you need when you're repeatedly driving over it. But some users reported that it's a bit bulky, making it tricky to store away when not in use. Here's the thing though, if you regularly need to navigate curbs or uneven surfaces, the extra bulk is worth the trade-off for stability. This is perfect for you if you deal with curbs often and need a reliable ramp. Skip this if you're just looking for maintenance ramps for underneath the vehicle. For the quality, it's a solid investment. Now, if you're looking for something more portable, the next option might fit your needs better. Product number 4, DNA Motoring Lift Ramp. The list is the DNA Motoring 6.7-inch car lift ramp, retailing at about $79.99. I was drawn to its multifunctional design. If you're looking for a ramp that offers both lift and ease of use, this one deserves your attention. With a lifting height of 6.69 inches and a capacity of 7.2 tons, it's a great tool for parking and vehicle maintenance. The non-slip base and friction grip surface ensures safety during use, especially in tough conditions. Plus, it's lightweight and portable, making it easy to transport wherever you need it. However, some reviews pointed out that it might not be suitable for heavier vehicles, so if you have a larger truck, you may want to be cautious. But for standard cars or lighter vehicles, this ramp performs really well. This is perfect for you if you want a ramp that's easy to move around and still offers solid performance. Skip this if you have extremely heavy vehicles. For the price, you get a solid, user-friendly option. And finally, the last product on our list is something quite similar, but a bit more affordable. So let's check that out. Product number 5, Hawkswell Car Ramps. We have the Hawkswell Car Ramps, priced at just $26.37. These are perfect for those who want reliability without breaking the bank. If you need low-profile car ramps that won't cost you a fortune, this is worth a look.
These ramps are specifically designed for low chassis cars with a 2.6-inch lift and a sturdy build that can support up to 20,000 pounds. Their lightweight design makes them easy to carry around your garage. The honeycomb structure enhances traction and grip, which is vital when driving up the ramp, ensuring safety. However, some users mentioned that they might not be as durable as pricier options, but honestly, for the price and functionality, they hold up well for home repairs or occasional use. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable solution for low-profile vehicles. Skip this if you're after something for heavy-duty use. For under $30, they're a solid choice for DIY enthusiasts.
So to wrap it all up, we've covered the Roblox ramps for low chassis cars, the heavy-duty Ironton ramps for versatility, the Vevor curb ramp for driveway access, the portable DNA motoring ramp for easy lifting, and the affordable Hawkswell ramps for basic needs. Each has its strengths, so pick the one that fits your needs best.